Yo people, eFootball will not be the same anymore because free GP points will be there and will be yours just like you will see in a very bit. So guys, I will show you the full step-by-step tutorial that is so easy to do and complete, and it will be so efficient by the end of it. So let me show you how. Your boy is loading up eFootball 26 to see if we will get those free GP points, guys. And you know that GP points means magic, means more players, means a better team, means more fun in eFootball 26. You know how it is when you don't have them enough. I tend to change that today, but let's see if it will work out. So basically, if you're seeing this video, that means that it is all going according to plan, and this is the exact moment that it happened, guys. You can see it for your very self that free GP points will be added in eFootball 26 for both iOS and Android devices. So let me not waste your time and let me now show you how you can get it on your very own. Have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections, and open up any browser. But search for appspatched.com. On appspatched.com, you will have a lot of games, a lot of apps, but we are here for eFootball. So let's search it and tap on the icon as soon as it pops out. Then enter your username. Right up next, you will select the platform that you're on or the mobile device. And then guys, you will be selecting the amount of the free GP points that you want to see in eFootball, like you saw earlier on my account. It is mind-blowing to see it work just like that. And I just can't wait to use it all, guys. So let's continue to verification and verify our mobile device with the last step, which is you can watch a tutorial right here to see how you can do it. Click here to be redirected to it. And then you will have two options to either complete 2 questionnaires by answering some simple questions. That will be enough, guys. Following out those specifics, each questionnaire will ask of you 2 or 3 questions, answer anything, and that is a faster alternative for you to receive free GP points in eFootball 26. Or you can go ahead and download 2 apps, which are from the official App Store, Google Play Store, after tapping from here. Not only download them, but also for Zap VPN, install plus open, or for Copper, install plus register. So guys, make sure to read what it says from you, complete it that way, or just go with the questionnaires. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everything was useful. If you have further questions, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you.